Hello. You found me here. Whatever your intention or purpose may be, I simply hope that you are having a day. This is a gentle reminder that you can put everything aside, even in just this moment. You will allow yourself to let go of everything that you're holding on to. Now, let's go on an adventure together. When you are ready, I want you to close your eyes. And I'd like you to start off with taking 3 big breaths. And while you're taking these 3 breaths, you are going to come to your center and let go of anything that you've been holding on to. Are you ready? Door will appear in front of you. And if you truly feel ready, you will open that door and step through. If you're still having a moment of doubt, take a step back and breathe again until you're ready. Now, let's step through this door. And as you're stepping through this door, everything that you are starts to fall apart. You are no longer what you thought you are or who you pretend or intend to be. You are simply a being. And when you walk through this door, you are in your favorite place in the entire world. I want you to let where you are sink in. How is it making you feel? And why did you choose that place as your favorite place to go to? It's crazy that in our day-to-day, we take the simple things that bring us so much joy and overcomplicate them. But where you are right now, that does not exist. You do, and only you. Now, where you are, I'd like you to lay down and close your eyes. And I want you to take 3 more deep breaths. And as you're taking your final breath, you are going to feel a wave of warmth wrapping itself slowly around you and engulfing your entire body in a calm and warmth state. You are now suspended in air, feeling light and weightless, untouchable. You are safe. You are simply a root, another being that's connected to other amazing divinely beings. You are a ball of light, and you are going to allow yourself to feel warmth, love, stillness, and calm. If you are carrying any doubt, fear, anxiety, imagine it rolling off your arms as if it's just a wave from the ocean, because you are simply just floating and you're light as a feather. I want you to open your eyes and allow yourself to see where you are. Are you still in your favorite place, or have you simply moved on? I want you to remember that there's no wrong or right with where you've chosen to go. But how do you feel? Where we are right now, time does not exist. You are simply a light being, floating, and you're letting go of anything that is not bringing you peace. Now, if you're ready, let's go deeper on our adventure. You are now sitting on a cliff, and you are overlooking the ocean, and you look out, and all you just see is the waves, the sun, and the trees, and everything beautiful surrounding you. And you are just another beautiful being that's a part of what's around you. Allow yourself to feel the wind in your hair, the wind through your fingers, against your skin. Simply allow yourself to feel. And when you're ready, I want you to stand up and jump off this cliff. And when you're ready to jump, you are going to jump into the unknown. I can't tell you where the unknown is, but I do know it's where you're meant to go. And sometimes with the unknown, it's simply best to just go. Now, I want you to wake up. Where are you? How does it feel where you are? Are you lost? Or did you simply find another part of yourself that you didn't know was lost? You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Now, you have two choices. There are two doors. One door will take you back to exactly where everything started, before you started to take your first 3 breaths, before you walked through your first door. Or you could choose to step through the second door. And the second door is you choosing to let go of everything you've been holding on to and choosing to see yourself with a different set of eyes. You are choosing to have faith in yourself and to believe. You are choosing to love yourself. You are choosing to not be weighed down by what was previously something you were holding on to. Regardless of what choice you make, I simply hope that you're having a day. And if you choose to step through the first door, just remember, the second door will always be waiting for you. This place will always be here. When you are ready, it will come to you. Because here, this is not bound by time, by judgment, or by a protocol. This is just simply here, and you just simply exist. I hope that what journey you're on brings you joy, passion, and you're following your heart. Now, our journey is coming to an end. So I'd like you to close your eyes and slowly make your way to the door of your choice. I want you to take a moment and just give yourself time. Allow yourself to slowly open your eyes. Feel the feelings in your fingers, in your chest, in your shoulders, in your hips, and your legs, and your feet. Slowly take your time and allow yourself to feel being back into your body. I hope I get to see you again. Thank you for allowing me to take you on this adventure. I simply hope that you have a day.